Installing your own blinds or shutters can be an absolute nightmare. Bad quality, wrong size, or even just finding the time to fit them yourself. Today, I'm meeting with Staffordshire's most recommended blinds and shutters company, a family business that puts friendliness and best of value service at the heart of everything they do.
I'm Gary. I started this business in 2014, so we're really pleased with the way the business has grown and the fact that I've been able to integrate the business with all of my family. We operate in and around North and South Staffordshire and the borders of the West Midlands. We're the most recommended blinds and shutter company in that area. You can check out our Google reviews.
Hi, I'm Carol and I'm a director of the Blinds and Shutter Company. We supply and fit all types of blinds, curtains, plantation shutters and shading systems for your garden and patio areas.
There's a whole range of different reasons why you'd want blinds. Glare control, heat control, noise insulation.
Window coverings are something that add to the home. They can be fitted for practical purposes or to make a home warmer or to create a mood.
I'm Drew, I'm the sales manager here at the Blinds and Shutter Company. When you buy them yourself, you have to measure it yourself. And then you have the stress of thinking, have I measured it correctly? Holes in the wall that they didn't need to drill, and it's just an easier, smoother process. Stress-free, really.
We've got a whole range of vertical blinds, roller blinds, pleated blinds, Roman blinds, the whole 9 yards. We do curtains, so we've got most of the shading products that are available out in the UK. We're able to motorise our awnings, blinds and curtains so they can go up and down with the push of a button.
You can either call us direct, you can inquire online, and that'll go straight through to Charlotte. Charlotte will then call you and arrange an appointment that's convenient for yourself. We will discuss through all your needs and the purpose for the blind, show you different examples, measure it, give you a price. The process length varies depending on what you buy.
We only supply top quality awnings. This one behind me is 15 years old. It looks like it was fitted last year. And that's the kind of thing that we put on the back of people's houses.
So we also do perfect fit pleated blinds and perfect fit Venetian blinds. This one here is a pleated version. Now the benefits behind this is they have got this one here specifically is like a honeycomb fabric, so it's great from an insulation perspective. The reason why people like perfect fit blinds is because they're very inobtrusive and they don't actually cause any damage to the door. So there's no drilling involved, no drilling into recesses at all.
So this is a pergola, and the fundamental difference between a pergola and a patio awning is that there's legs on the front of it. What that enables the pergola to do is to go out 6 metres from the house and 6 metres wide, so you can get a big cover. It's a nice product, the pergola. It gives you great for parties, great for barbecues.
These are our plantation shutters. These ones specifically have a hidden tilt, which means there's no visible rod on the front or back of the shutter.
The thing I'm most proud of is the reaction from customers once we've been into their house and fitted their blinds.
Customer service is paramount to us. It's just the top. All our clients are part of our family. We do that through the referrals and testimonial feedback that we get.
Wow, what a service. The team here really do have you completely covered with their family-friendly approach and the range that they offer. If you're in the local area, there really is only one place to come. So why not get in contact and bring a new vibrancy to your home completely stress-free with the Blinds and Shutter Company.